I'd like to welcome back with us again my mom, Diane Hunter, to talk about those Callaways, who we love and adore because they are so trustworthy. Love their website because there's so much information they can find on there, whether you're looking to buy, sell a home. I mean, there's just so much stuff.
There really is. Everyone really should go to their website. But this next house is really a great buy. It really is. It's situated on a large lot, and it's almost an acre. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and close to 3,000 square feet of living area. This fantastic custom home has 10-foot ceilings, travertine, neutral paints, dual-pane windows, and slab granite. And you'll love the sunlit breakfast area, as well as the eat-at bar in the island kitchen, which is stainless steel and, of course, has everything you would desire.
Nice.
Your family will especially enjoy the spacious family room with a fireplace and an exit to the very nice patio. A split-plan master suite with a jetted soak tub is lovely and very desirable. You'll also love the awesome and spacious laundry room. This is really super.
It does sound great.
And the home has horse privileges and RV parking. All of this priced at $525,000.
That's it?
Yes.
Oh, that's a
great.
great deal. Okay, well, as we always tell everybody, they need to either go see this house, go to the website, they need to check it all out.
I agree. Thank you.
You.